Daddy,
and
Kittens!
Hello kids, my name is Ultraman and I am a superhero. You are not Ultraman and you are not a superhero. Yes I am. No you are not. Yes, no, yes, no.
No!
Ah! Huh? Who can help me?
Don't cry, Daddy! We will help you! Yeah!
Woo! I'm safe! Yay! Ah! Huh? What?
Kids, don't forget, you cannot jump on the sofa. It's very dangerous. You will bump your head.
Wow! Wow!
What are you doing here?
Nothing!
Go back to the room. Kids, don't forget, you cannot play with sharp objects. It's very dangerous. You will cut yourself.
Don't touch, Daddy!
Kids, don't forget, you cannot play with electricity. It's very dangerous. You will be electrocuted.
Stop!
Kids, don't forget, you cannot play with chemicals. It's very dangerous. You will burn your skin. Kids, don't forget, you cannot play at home. It's very dangerous. You will break your arm or leg.
My hand is burning! Help! Help!
Kids, you cannot play with fire. It's very dangerous. You will burn the house down.
Wow!
Throw it away, there are no candies!
Sorry!
Kids, you cannot eat medicine without your parents' permission. It's very dangerous. You will poison yourself.
What can I do?
Don't worry, Daddy.
We can painting.
Don't forget, stay safe at home and see you next time. Bye bye!
Sponsored by IQ English.